Hey, welcome ladies and gentlemen. I want to wish everybody today, right now, a happy 4th of July, a happy holiday. If you celebrate it here in the North America, the United States region, or worldwide, it's a holiday we celebrate Independence Day. If you would check out one of my videos, I try to find a link and all, and man, was it entertaining for me. It's the North Bridge reenactment of Concord, Lexington. I made that video years ago. I was on the front lines behind a tree with a ranger that he allowed me to stay there. And man, that person pulled a musket right in front of me. Oh, memory shots indeed in the summertime. 4th of July, we celebrate hot dogs and hamburgers, going to see the fireworks, getting together as a team. Today is a little different. So I hope you, the family, and all have a great 4th of July. Thank you very much for stopping by, and have a great day, everybody. Well, ladies and gentlemen, they did what they were going to do, and proud that they did it. Stops us from doing what we have to do. Around my neck is what I have to wear now, or keep in my pocket, or have something just in case, and it should be there all the time. And don't like talking about it, but we all do. But anyway, having a good time with my camera, Osmo Action. I haven't really given you a good update. And I am going to try something a little different, not this. I'm going to grab a photo, and the photo is going to be like this, right? And I'm going to have to do a balancing act. And this balancing act should come out to be a nice picture. Well, I don't have a piece of glass, and I can't stand on it. And yeah, it is what it is. Now we're going to go find a spot where I think it's a nice picture to do it at. And I'll find it sooner or later. I have a plan to doing it. And what could that be? Well, like I said, picture to the sky of a palm tree. And I gotta go find a nice palm tree. So stay tuned for that. And when I get that video done, it's just a photo. And I'll post the photo at the end, and you let me know how you like it. I'm Fish, I'm out of here, and catch you on many other videos to come.